Safe for the fish. Selsil Aquarium Silicone is a silicone sealant used in glass bonding work. It does not contain chemicals or solvents that are not friendly to your fish or other organisms in the aquarium. This product is made from 100% silicone polymer, is used in aquarium manufacturing, and conforms with the ISO 11600 FG 25 LM standards. Adhesive for various non-porous surfaces. This transparent silicone sealant offers an excellent grip on the glass without using an additional primer. It adheres well to acetoxy system, curing glass and many non-porous surfaces. This is a silicone adhesive that also offers insulation for many kinds of materials like aluminum, glazed ceramic tiles, and glass. You may use this product for freshwater and saltwater aquariums. Strong bond. Highly elastic and flexible, this adhesive putty offers a quality adhesion effect. It is also resistant to ozone, ultraviolet radiation, and extreme temperatures. It does not lose its elasticity at high and low temperatures, and it will not crack, pull, or discolor. Fast curing. This aquarium glue offers quick curing time. Apply the aquarium silicone on the surfaces you need to work on and wait only a few hours for it to cure. It is, however, best to wait up to 24 hours if you want it to completely cure. Its application temperature should be between +5 degrees Celsius and +40 degrees Celsius. This product conforms to ISO 11600 FG 25 LM. Multi-purpose. This is not just a sealant for your making or repairing aquariums. You may also use this silicone glue for other applications like sealing seams, stopping leaks, or securing decorations in the aquarium. As long as the surface you will work on is non-porous, this clear silicone caulk will do its job well. Top reviews from the United States. Resealing old aquariums. Worked great repairing old aquariums. 5, 10, 20 and 29 gallon tanks were repaired after removing old.